Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Sonic key fob here. It works for these models and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing we need to do is turn this key over like this to the back, and right here we need to remove the whole back piece here. The whole piece. And the easiest way to remove it is just take your small flat screwdriver and insert it like this here, only the tip insert, and twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this cover over here. So when you remove it, this back piece, right after that here you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take your small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery and also make sure here is the positive side. So this step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take this back piece again and make sure you align it perfectly over here, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this. And when you snap them together, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.